Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos.
Friends, welcome to my channel AspDotNet. Welcome friends to Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we will learn a grid form in Bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned a inline form in Bootstrap 4. So friends, in this video we will learn a grid form. So friends, I've already create a button and using another page for design the grid form. So you can see we have using a simple email and simple password for using a design the grid form. So friend, you can see the design. I'll show you. Just save and refresh the page, and friends, you can see this grid form. Click. So friends, you can see this is a grid form and in Bootstrap 4. So friends, I hope you like the video. Friends, if you like the video, friends, please like, share and subscribe my latest video update. Press the bell icon for more information like Facebook, follow on Instagram, Twitter, and if you have any query, you can ask me, comment or email. And when visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching videos.